In this tutorial, you will see how easy it is to enable virtual try-on for your lipstick products on the website. Now that you've already installed Perfect365 Virtual Lipstick app, there are just a few simple steps that require no programming skills or complicated code. From the Shopify admin console, let's click on the Products menu. In case you've not set up any products yet, please do that first. From the product list, let's select a specific product. Click on Product Name and it should take you to the Product Setup page. Now let's look at the inventory card by scrolling down a bit. We're going to use this barcode field to program the lipstick color. The lipstick's color hex code should be entered here. If you know the specific color hex code for the selected lipstick, you can enter it now. If you don't know the color hex code for your lipstick, do not panic. There are free tools out there you can utilize. We recommend image-color.com. Let's head to that website now and upload your product image. Once there, place the mouse cursor on the lipstick portion of the image to auto-match the color. When you see the correct color in the box to the right, copy the hex code from the color code field at the bottom. Back on the Shopify admin console, let's paste this color hex code value back to the barcode field. Save the changes, and you are ready to go. To see it in action, click on Preview. You should notice a new Try Before You Buy button on the screen. Let's click on it. Then make sure to grant camera access when prompted. The Perfect365 Virtual Lipstick effect is now enabled for this product. Repeat the same steps to enable all lipstick products on your shop. If you have any questions or need specific customizations, please reach out to us at shopify.app@perfect365.com. Thank you for installing the Perfect365 Virtual Lipstick app.